What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on the Jasmy, your daily update. There's enough to talk about. I mean, yesterday in general we saw a little bit of a sell-off on alts. In general, a sell-off in the markets. I mean, there was not really any level really being bid on the crypto markets. If you look at Bitcoin, for example, which we will reference Bitcoin more often in this video, because and we talked about this the last time as well when we covered Jasmy, and you don't need to know about that, but basically the situation is still the same. I mean, Jasmy here is stable. I think most of the potential lays to the upside. All right, so I think we can get some nice moves up. But what you need for that is either some sort of a strong market reaction. So a strong Bitcoin is the market, or you need some sort of a Japanese narrative. That would be great as well. Or you need some momentum for Jasmy. And now the momentum for Jasmy has basically been flat for the last four days or so. And then yesterday we had a bit of a sell-off. Bitcoin dropped down a bit, while the Bitcoin dominance Bitcoin dominance, I mean, it went up a little bit on Sunday when we fell, but apart from that, it has been falling. But that's basically what's going on. All right, there's really nothing pushing up the price for Jasmy. So that's why I would say when we look at the technical structure for Jasmy here, we're consolidating. All right, we have a very strong resistance right here between 2.3 and 2.25 cents. I think if we break above that, that's a good opportunity. And then our main support level is right here between 1.9 and 2 cents, which is also historically a strong level. 2 cents is a psychological support level. So for now, I think that's the structure, and I think that will hold. So basically that we will kind of bounce around in this in this area. And the thing is that what I'm waiting for personally is I think Jasmy is a great coin to trade. All right, so that's not the problem. But I would just like to see this consolidation break. There's not much money to be made trading in a tight range like this. All right, it's basically from the absolute bottom to the top. It is about it's about 19%, which is that's not nothing, but it rarely happens that you go all the way from the bottom, from the absolute bottom to the absolute top. And it's also difficult to really catch a bottom like that, all right, because it can always break, and that's what we're waiting for. But at this moment, like I said, it really depends on the markets, because there is no momentum for Jasmy, which is just objective. All right, the open interest right here is dropping down. While if we look back at the past for Jasmy, every time Jasmy was bullish, you can always see some sort of a big increase in open interest, as you can see right here. So that's what we're waiting for, or some sort of a narrative, but there's nothing brewing that much with crypto in Japan at this moment. If we can get that, then we can actually, oh, that's Bitcoin. If we can get that, then we can actually get the breakout. I would, regardless, when you're looking at Jasmy and you agree with that this is the situation, I would still say it's most likely we'll get the bullish breakout. But that's purely based on what I expect from Bitcoin. I expect this support level for Bitcoin to hold. And that's eventually, even though it might take some time, eventually we'll be able to get a breakout and rally up higher, which will drag Jasmy together, which will drag Jasmy up as well. So that's why I do expect to move up to that next level at 2.5 and 2.55 eventually. It's just, I don't expect it for now. I see no indication of it happening now. All right, so those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.